morning. Today is day 121 and it's very cold. Look at this. 20 degree in the morning. Yeah, we didn't even on the aircon in the accommodation last night. Okay, so today just gonna be a relaxed day. We're gonna soak up all the city vibes because after today we're gonna head to the countryside for a few days. Okay, so the plan today is just to visit some local eateries, check out some local market, and then most importantly is to get our laundry done, and then we're gonna head out tomorrow. Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
This is another problem that we constantly face on the go. We can't find good replacement parts for our broken stuff. So today we dropped the GoPro, and you can hear the mic quality is a bit lousier because we moved the mic. Yeah, the mic mount has broke here. Yeah, it's just being super good back at the moment. Yeah, and this is not gonna last for the next few months. So the plan now is to use epoxy, okay, and a piece of cloth that we got from this. Yeah, we just cut off the face mask, a piece of cloth here, and to reinforce this part. Again, ideally, if we are back in Singapore, we can order this and it can come within a week, okay, online, and then we can use a proper fiber mesh, but now we have to make do with this kind of improvised thing. Yeah, so it's another problem of traveling long term. It has dried up, so hopefully this might hold the hose for the next few weeks. So let's see. Okay, something you realize, Laos is really laid back, so it's very enjoyable, right, to just drive around the city. Traffic is laid back, people let each other go. Yeah, super chill. Okay, so now we are gonna try to find Dreamweaver. It's a shop, right, that does weaving products, and they are made from people who have survived human trafficking. Yeah, so it's actually quite a difficult place to find. It's not on Google Map, and everyone on Google article are just giving the rough location of it. So we're trying to find. Okay, we are here. Now we need to find a place. Alright, our biggest hint, right, is opposite Monument Bookstore, which is already closed. Yeah, but opposite is Tasak Plaza, and all the bottom rows of shop doesn't have Dreamweaver shop. So we are still trying to find. Okay, we have found the place, but it looks like the social enterprise no longer around. Yeah, it's quite a waste. Anyways, we will just explore around this area. Okay, we are at Unice Night Market now. See, this place is so chill. Nobody one. Nice, right? Okay, this is probably our last bit of civilization already before we head up to the mountains or to the countryside tomorrow. For a more permanent fix, right, we couldn't find fiber mesh, so we got this one, laundry bag lah. We cut a bit of this mesh out and then we use epoxy, yeah, AB type epoxy to coat the mesh. So we're gonna glue and reinforce the joint. It looks morning. Today is day 122, so our laundry came in just in time. Yeah. And Hui Jing is stopping them now. Because today we are going to leave Pasar City towards the countryside. So the plan is to check out the waterfall and then to a coffee place, and then we're going to find a small country town to stay over for today. First time we found 95 octane petrol in Laos. This is PTT, Thailand brand petrol. So we don't have to put octane petrol now. Okay, we are here at the waterfall. Is 50,000 kip for 2 to enter. Everyone just turned into the car park, just immediately stopped, then like started laughing. See, the stones are so big. This is the tallest waterfall in Laos, measuring at 220 meters. Look at this beauty.
He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights to never die. My father told me.
Okay, after an hour of contemplating, we decided to go for the zipline because it's really expensive, 35 USD per pax. Okay, we're going on a zipline course later.
ไปชวนมาใช่ไหม
ใช่ค่ะ เพิ่งมาเดือนที่
Yeah,
แล้ว
now we got the training session to go through first. Yeah, finish. Let's go. Okay, we are so glad after contemplating for an hour, we decided to go for the zipline experience. It's really out of this world. If you are here, you should really try it. So no regrets. Okay? Although there's 2 holes in our wallet now. Okay, we are going to go to Bolaven Plateau Coffee Producer Cafe. It's just a short drive away because this region is known for its coffee. So we're just going to take a look. Yep. Laos coffee. Oh, I should try. It's very, very fragrant.
Really?
Okay, we just saw a campsite called The Loop. Yeah, but there's no road like leading there on Google Map. The closest hint we got is this photo. So right now we're gonna try to find a signboard by the side of the road and see what's the dirt road condition like to the campsite. Yeah, so it's a bit disappointing. He quoted us 650,000 Lao kip. That's like 35 USD for a homestay. Yeah, and he even told us there's no electricity, but he included dinner and breakfast. So it's very pricey. Just to keep things in perspective, right? A very good accommodation here, right? Is about 150,000 kip. So he charged us 4 times, more than the amount. Yeah, so it's quite a weird pricing lah.
Yeah, even though dinner and breakfast is provided, it's still considered pricey because for the two of us, if we eat out separately, it's also just about 150 or even less than 100,000.
So there's still some light now, so we need to hurry and get out of this dirt road area lah.
Tough road. Is everything okay?
Yeah, we good. Nothing got rip off underneath. Alright, but okay, so we're going out for dinner now and to get some beer because the weather now is at 16 degrees Celsius. Check this.
So cold.